Don't wait for your snack ship to come in. Make your own gourmet chocolate bars. Grab a brownie pan. You're going to want to spray it with some no-stick spray. We're going to line it with 2 pieces of foil. One up and down, one side to side. This will make it easy to remove our treats from our pan. Let's start with our cookie layer. In a large bowl goes flour, a little sugar, and a pinch of salt. Mix to combine. Now pour on some butter. Mix it in as best you can. After that, I work with my hands at some point because it's just a little bit easier. Now crumble your dough all over your prepared pan. Big chunks, small chunks, it doesn't matter. Press it into an even layer best you can. It's pretty easy, trust me, you can't screw this up. Now take a fork and dock your dough a bunch. This ensures it won't puff up too much. Bake it for 15 to 20 minutes or until the top is lightly golden. While it's still hot, press down on it with a spatula. That way, the dough is even, will be nice and crunchy, and easy to cut. Let it cool for a while we work on our caramel layer, which starts with a big bag of these old people candies. I would never eat these alone, but they're pretty good for this. Make sure you unwrap them though, plastic is yucky. Add a tablespoon of milk. Microwave this 30 seconds at a time until it's liquid. It took about a minute in my microwave. Don't touch it, caramel hurts. Pour it onto your cookie sheet and spread it out with a spatula. Let it cool completely. You can speed this up in the fridge if you want. Alright, we're going to cut this giant thing into bars. Grab a serrated knife and spray on some no-stick spray. Cut it in half. Cut that half in half. Cut this half in half. And once more. When all is said and done, you'll have 16 bars. You're going to want to save all your crumbs too. We're going to be using those. Put all your bars on a foil-lined sheet with a rack over it. This way, when the chocolate drips down when we dip them, you can catch it and reuse it. Park them in the freezer for a few minutes. Now, I'm using dark chocolate candy shells. They set up a little bit better than regular chocolate. Melt them again in 30-second spurts in the microwave. Now carefully pour on a little bit of chocolate over these bars, straight from the freezer. Do they look familiar yet? Don't forget to sprinkle on those crumbs. Now, I keep mine in the freezer because it's summer and I don't want to have a big melty mess. And also, candy bars straight from the freezer are hecka yummy. They're good enough to share, but you don't have to. Ooh, yummy. If you're looking for more Animal Crossing treats, check out this campfire pizza. No oven needed. What kind of treats would you like to see next? Let me know in the comments. Also, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.